Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to enable compact voice call mode on the Line app, so you can continue using other apps while on a call. This feature is very useful. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, from the list of the options, select Calls. After that, find the option labeled Compact Voice Call Mode and toggle it on. Once you turn it on, your phone settings will open automatically. Here, you need to enable display over other apps. Turning on this feature allows voice calls to appear on a small floating window while you continue using other apps without interruption. Finally, you can go back to Line and make a call to see the compact voice call mode in action. The call will now appear in a small window that you can move around your screen while performing other tasks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.